My name is Edgar and I'm an engineering talent consultant here at Fastnet Talent Group. I'm currently partnering with a leading biopharmaceutical client based in Cork to fill the role of a QA validation specialist. Based on previous experience, the successful candidate will have the option to join one of two validation teams on site: day-to-day sustainability or projects team, which is primarily focused on capital expansion and new product introduction. This is a great opportunity for somebody who's looking to get some well-rounded validation experience in the rapidly growing biopharmaceutical industry. Initially, it's a 12-month contract with a strong view to permanency if desired. We're looking for somebody with 3 to 5 years of process or equipment validation experience coming from biopharma, pharma, or medical device sectors. If you're interested in the position, click the link above or get in touch with myself on 021 455 4069. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a good day.